trading got me a new laptop, a MacBook Pro at that. And in this video, I'll be telling you exactly how I was able to trade and get this laptop. And the way I'll be doing this is in a way where I'm going to be telling you my journey, how I started trading, so that while I'm telling you any stage or point that I state in this video, if you are at that stage, it's going to help you get past that stage and also get to the stage of getting a laptop like this or getting whatever you want. Ultimately, just this, by the end of this video, you should be able to understand how to become a profitable trader and buy whatever you want. So let's unbox this. I've already unboxed it, so I'm just unboxing it again. So just to show you the laptop, this is it. Very sleek. So I'll also be telling you why I got this laptop. By the way, I still have my old laptop here, which is my HP, as you can see right here, and I got the MacBook as well. So make sure you stick around, because this video is going to help you as a beginner trader and also as an advanced trader and with somebody that has zero knowledge about trading. Starting off, I'm going to be very honest throughout this video. If you don't like honesty, make sure you can leave the video right now. My name is Aaron and I've been trading Forex for close to 4 years now. I found out about Forex in 2022 through some friends who they taught me a little bit, but I had to go to school that same 2022 university, and I had to continue learning on my own. So if you're at that stage where you get to know about Forex and nobody is there to teach you anymore, I can tell you that you can continue learning on your own. That's exactly what I did. I went on YouTube and I started studying ICT concepts. That's ICT. If you go to YouTube and search Inner Circle Trader, I started watching his videos. They are very long. One video is usually like an hour long, and I watched about 41 of those videos, or even more than. I think I even watched up to 100 of those videos. So I was watching one video a day and I was learning. Although that's not what I currently trade, but it helped me learn how to learn trading. So you can start, if you're at that stage where you just found out about trading and you don't have money to pay somebody, you can actually continue and show your seriousness by learning on your own on YouTube. So that first year was just about learning. The second year was learning some more and trading on demo account. So I traded on demo account for about 6 months rather, or even up to a year if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, and the best part is that I documented most of this process on YouTube. So if you scroll down to my YouTube videos, you can see that. So I will advise you should also document your process of learning and growing as a trader. There's a reason to that, and that is also linked to how I got this laptop, by documenting my trading as well. So that is why you can also implement that for yourself. And you don't need to have everything to start documenting your journey online. When I got to school, like immediately on the first week I got to school, I think that's when I even took documenting my journey online very seriously. I was using a very terrible Android Gioni phone that cost like 40,000 Naira, and I got that phone through doing one tech, because I'm also a developer. I'm a full stack web developer. At that point, I was just a front-end web developer. I was learning how to code on my own. Nobody taught me how to code except YouTube. So this was another skill I had on the side. So I learned how to code and build websites. So with that money, I was able to get a phone, a Gioni phone that cost like 40k. That was where I was recording my YouTube videos, and my laptop at that time was around like a 50k laptop that I didn't pay complete amount for. It was like this big. I don't know if I get the video, I can put it here. It was like very big. It was a black laptop, very big, and it was terrible, but I used it. And even when I got home during holiday, my room was never like this. I never had this chair, and I never even had a table. I just used a small round table and a dining table chair with just a blank wall, and I was still recording with no mic. Right now I have a mic, but then I had no mic. So you can start with literally anything you have. That is very important. Start with what you have, man. You don't need to even wait. You don't need to wait, because it's just about starting. So that was how I documented my learning process. Then fast forward to 2024, I was done trading demo accounts. I started buying Propfirms accounts because I wanted to leverage on capital. I was trading small live account of $10, $20, because I really didn't have much. So I was trading those capital. I was losing $20, losing $10. There was a time I even took $20 from a friend. I traded it, I lost it. Most of that year was trading Propfirms. In the first half of the year, I was at the point where it wasn't working. You have learned, if you're at this point right now where you have learned how to trade, but you are trading live account, you are trading demo account, you are losing, I was at that point, right? Then what I did was that I read a book called Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. This book was what got me to profitability the first time, like how I actually became profitable after reading that book. So I read that book every single day, like 30 minutes every single day. I was able to finish that book, and at that point I became profitable. Like I was able to make money in my demo account, in my Propfirm account consistently. But the problem was that I was trading this Propfirm account, but I was not able to pass and get funded. I was not able to get a payout. I was just trading it. I'll get to maybe pass phase one. Sometimes I'll not even pass phase one. I'm going to trade this account for like 4 months, 5 months, and I'm not past it. So if you're at that stage right now, what you can do right now, and what I did at that point, is that I increased my risks, right? I increased my risks because you are already becoming profitable. If you're at that stage where you are trading Propfirm for a long time and you have not passed it, what you're most likely doing is that you are using very, very little risks, because you have learned from the book Trading in the Zone that you should not risk a lot. So you are risking, you are dividing your max loss on your account by 20 or by 10, and you are risking very little. Right now, what you should do is that you should risk above 1% of that account, which means that for me, if I have a Propfirm account right now, and what I did at that point that I got out of that stage was that I divided my Propfirm account risks into 10 or sometimes even 8. So I just need to take a few trades and I've passed the account, like 2 trades, 1 to 3 hours, 1 to 3 hours, and I'll be able to pass the account. But if I take 7 losses in a row, I've blown the account. And it's very hard to take 7 losses in a row because I've backtested and I've become disciplined, because I've read that book Trading in the Zone and I've implemented those particular things. So throughout 2024, this was what I learned. Still, I did not pass any accounts. I did not get any payouts. Then in 2025, I was at the point where I've all my documentation process on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok, posting my videos, have got me to the point where I'm able to make money outside the chat. So I was not making money in 2024 from trading, but at the end of 2024 going to 2025, I've already started making money from YouTube. Not from YouTube paid program, but from affiliate deals, like broker deals, Propfirm deals, because I was trading Propfirm and documenting it. If people buy Propfirm, I get paid for that. And I was also offering the skills I already have, because I've already undergone 1 or 2 years of this trading, and I've got it to the point where I'm profitable. So I started teaching people as well how to trade, and that also brought in capital for me. Also giving out some signals as well, copy trading, those also gave me some income, coupled with my web development skill, which I've improved. While trading, I still kept on improving my web development skill, and I was getting in money. So at this point, 2025, I had money to buy Propfirm accounts. I was able to risk higher on those Propfirm accounts so that I can pass the account fast, get a payout fast as well, and not waste any time. So if you are at that stage where capital is your problem, what I will advise you to do is already start documenting your journey online, or add an extra skill on top of your forex trading skill, and capital is going to come. So what you now need to do is what I did in 2025. I bought Propfirm accounts, I risked high on them, and I was able to pass my first account in February, phase 1 of Willis Capital. But I think I got overconfident and I lost the phase 2 account. So fast forward to like the middle of 2025, I did something different again, which is improving my edge, because you might already be profitable at this stage, right? And there's something you can do to improve your strategy to get you more wins. So that's what I did. I talked to other traders, I looked for a way to improve my strategy, and I was now aiming 1 to 3 reward ratio with a better stop loss, a better take profit target, a sniper entry. And that single move caused a huge positive shift in my trading career, because remember, I have some capital from teaching people, from YouTube affiliate deals, from my web development skills as well. I took that money, I bought more Propfirm accounts, and I was able to pass this account. With Naira Trader account was the one I passed first and got payout from. So Naira Trader is a Propfirm that allows you to buy Propfirm in Naira and trade in Naira as well. And the account starts from like 8,900 Naira, and you can get, I think I got like a 200k account first. I passed the account, I got like 14,000 Naira payout, then 800k Naira Trader account, which I got the 10% payout of around 56,000 Naira. And I got this payout consistently almost every single week for about 2 months. and I was able to get over 300,000 naira payouts from the 800,000 naira account, which was mind-blowing for me. And I channeled that money into getting a dollar-based Propfirm, because I found out that I've wasted so much time trading Naira accounts. I had the capital to buy a 5k, a 10k account, but I didn't buy it. I was just focused on trading Naira accounts. So if you're on that point where you're trading only Naira trader account, you have capital to buy a dollar account, make sure you buy that dollar account for yourself. That's one advice that can help you on your journey as well. So I ended up buying a 5k dollar account, and I traded that account, also got payout from it. Then this payout was towards the end of 2025, which was in October, September, just around like 6 months ago. Now, most importantly, if you have watched this video to this point and you are getting value from it, so make sure you actually click that like button now and subscribe button right now, so you get to see more of my videos that will be coming out later. Then I got over 200,000 naira from Naira trader affiliate deals, while I was still getting my payouts from that, because while I'm trading my Naira trader, I'm posting about trading it, I'm growing my community, other traders are buying account, and anytime somebody buys an account from Naira trader with my link, I also get a percentage. So if you want to buy a Naira trader account, you can click it with the link below. If you buy an account, I also get a percentage. So I was able to get percentage over 200,000 naira from there as well. So this is why content creation is important, and it's linked to how I got this laptop, because while I was creating content on trading Naira account, somebody from the UK reached out to me and was like, bro, you've been getting multiple payouts from the Naira account. How much is this 1.5 million naira account? Because I was trading a 1.5 million naira account and documenting it at that point. How much is it in pounds or in dollars? So I told him that it's not even up to £1,000, and he was like, whoa, I am wasting so much time, I'm wasting so much percentage. So he offered to buy me a 25k account so I can trade it, we get a payout, and we do our profit split. So that's what exactly he did. He bought a 25k account, I traded it. Within about 2 months, we got our first payout of about $400. He gave me my own share. Subsequently, we got a second payout. After our profit split, I received around $670 from the 25k account, the second payout, and I took around $611. I did the P2P conversion for my Bybit on the spot when I wanted to buy this laptop for around $611. So I received around 850,000 naira in my account, and I transferred around 630k for this laptop. So people can even cost it higher, because it's a MacBook Pro 2020 M1 chip. So it's not an Intel Core i7, it's like an M1 chip actually. So the reason why I got this laptop was because my old laptop here, it's running on like 4 or 8 gig RAM. It's very slow. I can't really edit lots of YouTube videos on it. So on this, I can edit YouTube videos on it. I can do so much on it, and I got it from trading. Like, the thought of that is actually very crazy, because I've been telling you my journey. There was a point where like I wasn't making any money. You're probably at that point where you're not making any money, you're not passing any Propfirms account. But over time, growth is inevitable. Like, you literally cannot escape growth. From my experience, if you are consistent, you cannot escape growth. Because while I was creating content and getting payments from affiliate deals and the rest, I was able to change that Gioni phone that was recording to an iPhone 6, because I had the idea of I wanted to get an iPhone so that I can record my videos, any iPhone. So I got an iPhone 6. Then from then I continued, then I upgraded that to an iPhone 7 Plus. Then from then I upgraded that to an iPhone 11. That was one of my biggest upgrades. I was very happy. And remember, I told you I was using a big fat laptop. That was also how at the end of 2024, with creating content online, getting affiliate deals, and also my web development skills, I was able to get this laptop for 250k then. So that was also a big upgrade. So I think I got this laptop along with my iPhone 11. So that is how growth happens. It's inevitable. Then I also got this iPhone 13 that I'm currently filming on, apart from part of my 5k payouts and the rest, and some affiliate deals and whatever. That was how I was able to get that. So the next move for me right now is I'm done with gadgets. I think my iPhone 13 works perfectly fine. This MacBook also goes well. I'm done with gadgets, clothes, and all that stuff. Now we're going to scale. And that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to scale. I'm planning to get a house and a car. I already have the car in my mind. It's a Mercedes Benz S class. It's a Mercedes Benz S class, I think, or C class. I'll put it on. I already wrote it down. I went to search the price of the car, and I saved it in my notes, and I already know that that's the car I want to get. And I'm also going to get a house as well with it, because I'm in my final year in the university right now. And after university, you probably have to go for NYSC and stuff, but I want to be able to get my place. I want to be able to get my car, and I'm going to get it, right? Because almost every single thing I put my mind to get, this MacBook didn't just happen like that. I said I was going to get it. Like I told my friends, I think I mentioned it on YouTube as well. I was going to get this laptop. I was going to get a new phone. I was going to do everything. Anything I put my mind to, I usually just end up doing it. So I'm putting my mind towards getting that car and the house, hopefully this year. And yes, it can happen this year, because imagine getting $670 in a month from trading a Propfirm account, a 25K Propfirm account. If I'm getting the next payout now, I'm getting bigger accounts. If I can get a 100K account, $1,000 payout in a month, 2,000, 5,000, $10,000 payout in a month is not very far off anymore. And from that, you can scale into I can scale into trading my own personal live accounts, because currently I'm not even trading any live account. I'm just trading my funded Propfirm account, 25K, 5K, and some Naira accounts here and there. So with that, definitely I can achieve my goals. So I hope that this video, sharing my journey and showing you how all this was done, has really helped you. So I'm going to give you a recap. As I said, if you're at the point where you have no knowledge about trading, start to learn on your own. And if you know about trading, try to read the book Trading in the Zone to get profitable. And if you lack capital after being profitable, try to create content and share your journey as a trader, right? And learn an extra skill if you have the time to, and you get more capital for yourself. Then you improve your strategy as well. That's what I did. That's the third step. You improve your strategy and you get Propfirm accounts, because this was through a Propfirm, funding Pips Propfirm 25K account. I was able to get this PC. So get your Propfirms as well and scale from there. As I said, I have more plans ahead this year, and you don't want to miss that journey. I'm going to keep on learning more things, and I'm going to keep on sharing them here online. So make sure to subscribe so you don't get to miss any of that stuff. It's a long ride for us. There's so much that we need to do, and I would love you to be part of that journey. So subscribe, drop your comments, what you think about this video and what everything I've said, or if you have any question, drop in the comment section. Links to get any Propfirm account at discounts or my recommended book is in the description as well. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.